Instead of eating a perfectly good watermelon, he's using it to stamp big dents into fine sand. Such a strange move, but you'll get it once you see the whole video. After stamping several big pits with the watermelon, he pours in cement mortar, making several half-sphere watermelon molds. While they dry, he draws a circle on the ground and builds a round brick wall along the outline. The bricks are placed upright, with mortar filling the gaps in between. At the end, he embeds a short steel pipe, which will come in handy later. Then he lays a row of red bricks around the outside and carefully pops out the dried watermelon molds. He stands them upright along the outer wall and secures them with cement, forming a complete ring. Next, he cuts into a rubber barrel with a saw, making a square opening. A steel pipe goes through the bottom, and he drapes a cloth soaked in cement over it. Then pours dry cement directly on top. He spreads a layer of fine sand on the ground and weights it with spring water, levels it with a small trowel, then sprinkles more dry cement. Using the trowel, he smooths out the cement, then pours more cement into a basin filled with watermelon molds, only halfway up, and inserts a plastic tube in the middle. On one end of a large plastic pipe, he drills several small holes. Then he fills another bucket 2/3 full with fine sand. Spreading and packing it down, the large pipe is pushed into the sand, with the drilled end facing upward. He pours in cement, just enough to cover the pipe opening, then inserts a watermelon mold. Once dry, he coats the surface with cement, making it nice and smooth. After all the molds are dry, he removes every form and takes out the shapes. Now it's time to assemble the pieces. He spreads cement on the joints, so they hold firmly together. Finally, he paints everything in his favorite color. And it's done! Once the paint's dry, he fills it with spring water, adds some decorations, plants fresh flowers, and releases ornamental fish. A stunning aquarium is complete. With the gentle sound of running water, it feels like you're deep in the mountains. And so relaxing. So tell me, was trading a watermelon for this aquarium worth it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.